there's a huge effort, in taking care of how people feel. To be just a small part of everything else that's going on, with this new facility, I think it's an honor.
When the building was first a dream, there was very much an awareness that they wanted an outdoor space. And they knew also that there was going to be this wall that went down the middle of the courtyard, and that would be a great opportunity to put in a mural.
The art in the courtyard of the Behavioral Health and Wellness Center would need to be calming, express joy, and be a part of the healing journey. Omaha native Reggie LeFlore's blend of street art culture and illustration took over the South Side.
Well, I was kind of curious about, how my work fits within the realm of healthcare, and it was collaborative in a sense of, I worked with children's to develop something that had a lot of the patients in mind.
Flora and fauna cover the north wall in Betni Kalk's vision, a full day of Nebraska's beauty.
So I just like the idea of somebody kind of being able to resonate with one of the times of day. Felt like a really different way to approach. And you could because of the length of the wall.
Before a single brush touched the 180-foot-long canvas, both muralists met with teenagers and the behavioral health team, seeking input for the mural composition.
I very early wanted to make sure that we brought in community into the planning and the design process.
It's helpful because when you're in your own head, you can spin a lot, but when if that person likes it, there's a bunch of other people that will like that too.
That's a good idea, though. I can add some of those.
The two artists took those messages of mental health and in 8 weeks transferred them to one-of-a-kind art, creating an outdoor therapeutic space, further enhancing a feeling of hope and healing.
To think that, my work, can be a healing experience for someone, it's my hope that, everybody resonates with it, just as much as I did as I'm painting it.
I think it's an honor to be able to, help people feel better. And I like the idea that it'll help every day in some probably small way, maybe sometimes a big way. Every artist just has a different purpose. Mine happens to be, I think, to help calm people.